Hello, I'm Dr. Lee. Eyemagic Plastic Surgery, Seoul, Korea. Let me show you my patient. It's before photos. She's got a double eyelid surgery few years ago in a hospital in Seoul, but she was very disappointed because she has got a unnatural eyelid. What does her eyes unnatural? There is a very thick eyelid, especially in medial areas, very thick. Korean women don't want thick eyelid, and her eyelid slanting inward, blocking her pupils. So it's an element of unnatural form. After my surgery, she's got a round, thin eyelid and natural looking. The most important thing is the correction of medial area of thick eyelid. It's very important. Thank you.